Hello, Tito Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines with Nanay. And we're outside and we've started on day 12 of renovations. So we've gotten a lot of the timber out of the roof of the garage, but it's still got all the main structure in it. So we're taking that down. Yesterday we finished putting in the new service line, the entrance line. That's what it is. We've got a new entrance cap, PVC conduit to hold the entrance line so that it doesn't get chafed or rub on anything or start a fire. And we got that in, and all the way down to the box. The box has been cemented again to fix the hole. And you see Roland coming out here with some styrofoam because we got furniture stacked up out here. We got a new bed, mattress, and inside here they are starting to assemble our bed. So we're starting to put the bed together. And we'll show you the finished product later. Whoa! And we got some of our door jamb here. So woodworking done. The bathroom door looks fabulous. The door frames all look really good. You can see the grain of the wood. It's just beautiful. And we're going to finish painting this room today and get a ceiling light in there. We're going to finish this ceiling today and then maybe get most of the painting done today. I don't know how much. So Glenn is back with us today. And we got an exhaust fan in the box here for the CR for the bathroom. And we bought some track lighting for the kitchen. And we'll have to talk to Glenn about where we're going to put all that. So we got the table covered up. We bought some tarps. I bought one, and then some others brought some tarps to use to cover up stuff so we don't get it all dusty. So we moved our chicken because we're finishing up the wall here. If I can get you out here to see this. Hello, Antonietta.
Hi, Tito.
And here's where the chicken was living, over here under these bushes. And you can see she's gone. So we made a little tin shelter to keep the chicken. And she was fussing and cussing, and she bit on my eye while we moved her. And there she is. I hope she's happy and comfortable. We got our food and water out there. And we're just about to finish up the wall here. So we got this panel and one more to go, and one up by the garage. Maybe some on the outside. We'll see. So this is day 11. We're making a lot of progress. This is all our outdoor furniture that we need to move once we get the indoor furniture off of the outdoor porch. And it's just going to start looking like a house inside really soon. So the next project, after we get most of this done, will be just a one-man job. Her brother, Jacinto, is going to come in and rebuild this Buhay Kubo. B-U-H-A-Y-K-U-B-O. Buhay Kubo. So it's got a thatched, woven mat roof, and it did have a light. So we're going to put some more lighting out there and get Glenn to run some electricity out here. Some of this wood's really rotten, so it's got to be taken out and rebuilt and remodeled. So it's going to be a nice place to sit and enjoy meals with the family along with the terrace. And not much going on this side of the building. You can see where we repaired the eaves a little bit, some bad paneling there, so we put in a new panel. Oh, oops, missed a step there. So I guess I don't know if we're gonna render that wall or not. We'll see. And then once we get all that done, it looks like somebody started scraping the gate in preparation for paint. So we'll get the gate painted probably almost the last thing in the project. So that's day 11 of renovations here in Ormoc City. And we got a lot of cleaning to do when we get done. So we'll update you later and maybe make a part 2 today. We'll see what happens. Tito Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.